Hello, this is Allie. I am the staff liaison between OAUG and the Ambassador Program. So today we are going to be going over new system updates within the OAUG and ambassadors. So what we are going to be reviewing are how to edit your organization's contacts, how to edit your organization's basic information, as well as membership renewal and payment information. So all of that will be in here. All right, so once you're logged into your OAUG website profile, at the top, there's going to be a tab that says Manage Organization. The top one that says Organization Information, if you click that, that's going to be where you can see your company's basic information. You'll be able to edit all aspects of it. So the address, the phone number, the email that's on file, the website, anything like that, you can go ahead and edit it. You'll just hit the edit button, open it up, and you can change that. This is where you can, if your company does decide to do this, exclude yourself from the membership directory. Below that is going to be where you see the membership information. So you will see your membership type, the date that your membership started, and the date that it does end. So the start date is the date that you joined the OAUG, and the end date is of when your membership does expire. And then down here, topics of interest is if you guys have any interest within your company of a specific area, things of that nature. And if you click the edit button and you check a box, you can scroll down and see all of the different options. So that's how you edit your company's basic information. Now, if you go back to the top and you see Manage Organization again, and you hit the Membership Management, you'll see that some more tabs open up. So we're just going to click it. So this is where you can go in and do some of your ambassador duties and responsibilities. So if you need to add or edit people from your company, you're going to click Add New People. There's two ways you can go about doing this. The first one is you can manually enter them. And down here, if you have more than one person that you need to edit, you can choose a variety of rows to do them all at one time. Select it, hit Insert, and you will be able to do them all at one time. And you can also, if you mess up or the person decides they don't want to, you can hit the Delete button as well. Once you do that, you'll hit the Submit, and they will add them to your company profile. Or if you do decide you want to do it a different way, you can download the Excel template here. Which, once you fill all this basic information out, everything has to be filled. You can upload it, and it'll do the exact same thing and add everyone to the company profile. The only thing about doing the Excel spreadsheet is if there is someone whose email is already being used by a profile, it will not upload the entire Excel spreadsheet. It will actually decline it from doing it, saying that someone on the spreadsheet already has an OAUG profile. So that is something to remember. The company directory is where you can see everyone within your company who does have a profile with the OAUG. There's an option to export that to an Excel document, or if you want to just go person by person and do this way, you can. If you click on someone's name, it will bring up their basic information, which you can change as well. So if anything changes for this person, if email changes, title changes, address changes, this is where you can go and edit that person's profile for them. Also, this is where you can subscribe the person to OAUG Insight Magazine. So you'll just hit the box and you'll be able to subscribe them. Or if you would prefer to remove them from the company, so when you go to edit your company list, you'll hit the remove and it will save those changes for you. And you'll hit the remove from company button down at the bottom. If your company's been a member for multiple years, this is where you will see all of your previous memberships and your invoices. So you can view them if you need them for records, things of that sort. If your company is up for a renewal, and you want to make a payment, you will see an open invoice here when it does apply to you, and you will be able to pay for your membership at this point in time on this screen. If you have a saved payment method, it's the exact same thing. You just add the card that you want to use on file, and that's already saved for you. So when you go to renew, you'll have that option to use your saved payment method. Or if you guys are brand new or looking to renew your membership, you hit the join and renew button, and it will tell you you can renew or you can join, or if you have any questions, you can contact the membership team. Also, at the top, you'll see the membership directory, which is very important with the ambassador program. You can search by individual person or you can search by company. So there are different tabs and functions where you can search for someone or something. And then we'll look at the company names. You have the ability to search by a specific company name or by a specific address or state. Those are all options available. And then if you would like to edit your personal information, you'll go to My Account, View and Edit, and this is where all of that information is going to be. As the ambassadors, we do ask that you advise everyone in your company who does have a profile to go ahead and update their profile password. And then once they go into their profile, they need to check this box to show that they have done that. Does anybody have any questions at this point in time? If any questions do come about, please feel free to call us at the number listed at 404-240-0897, extension 2, or give us an email at the ambassador@oaug.org. Thank you for taking your time and joining us today. This will be recorded and put up on the website by end of day tomorrow. Thank you.